Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I show you how to write 有 in cursive Chinese. Now let's get started. First, in standard script, 有 it means to have. In running script, write it like this. Basically, there are two ways.有 or you can write like this. To have. As always, check the following words and expressions. 拥有 拥有 have 有趣 有趣 interesting 有效 effective 专有 专有 exclusive ，and last one for today 富有 rich 有 to have 拥有 have 有趣 interesting 有效 effective 专有 exclusive 富有 rich. Can you make up any other words with 有? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.